So let's go to the charts. Let's go to the charts. Yes, we are going to begin with one of the best things that we like to do. That is the breakdown of the market. We have a very interesting market this week. Yes, because we have a market where we are doing nothing. Okay, we don't know what we are going to trade. We don't know what setup we're going to take. And let's begin with gold. Look at this. Gold is behaving in a very different way because it has come to a resistance level. Okay, the roof is here and it has come to it. We don't know if we are going to short or we are going to long, because remember I said we are back to trending markets, so we are not sure if we are going to short or long, but we are assuming we are going to get a setup. So that's gold. BTC euro still ranging. I've looked at it. Look at this. This market is just ranging Monday to Friday, ranging, and we want it in our support or resistance, but nothing is being given. So the next one is the one and only US oil. Okay, US oil. As you can see, US oil has been behaving according to what is happening or what is caused by the war. Right now it is giving a long, but yesterday it was giving a short. Let's go to a higher time frame. Yes, let's go to a higher time frame. Look at that. This is 4 hour. Okay, this is 4 hour. I think I had a support here. I don't know where it went, but it's okay. This market has been respecting here. Where is that thing? This market has been respecting here. It has been staying in this zone. It has been respecting this. There you go. You can see last week it was showing we should short below this support, but it has below this resistance, but it has turned this resistance to a support, which is very good, which is very nice. But we are going to observe and wait and see. So it comes to US oil. I'm not going to trade. I'm not going to take any setup, man. I will lie to you. I'm not going to take any setup when it comes to oil. Even if it gives me a high setup, I'm not going to take it. I'm just going to observe it and leave it. That's me. Okay, that's me. Okay. So the next one is US 30. US 30 created all-time highs. US 30 created all-time highs. Okay. And that was on 51. Let's look at this. 54,730 is all-time high, and somehow it's coming back. I think it's coming back to retest after breaking, so it's coming back to a support. But when it comes to trading this pair, I have always told people be very careful. It has taken my money, and I'm very careful with it. So is that what are we going to do? Leave it be, let it enjoy itself, and let's go to the next one. So remember, this is the setup that we were supposed to take last week, but I did not take it. This was the setup that I was supposed to take last week, but I did not take it. It was on gbpjpy. Okay, we wanted to take a short here. We wanted to take a short here, which would have been very beautiful. But currently will be in drawdowns. As you can see, came to a level respected, a little bit push, but certainly the market turned bullish. So this is why I'm saying we are in very interesting charts. We are supposed to observe, understand where we are going to take a setup from. Okay, because if you can see, look at this. If you can see, it's trying to consolidate, but I want to see if it's going to break and give us a buy, or it's going to respect our short that we had initially. So when it comes to that, I'm going to be very careful. That's why I'm saying this week we have very interesting markets. The markets are just waiting setup. So we have the next victim, which is eurusd. Eurusd. What are we waiting for on Euro USD? Same case. Okay, you can see when it comes to Euro USD, the market is a little bit bullish. Can't say a little bit, but very bullish. But I have realized it's respecting certain levels here. It's respecting these levels. It's not a random area where it's stopping. So I would love to know if it's going to give us a good stop, a good short, or it's going to continue without stopping. Okay, so after we realize what it's going to do, we are going to take a setup. But for now, we are in a market where we are observing. Okay, it's not a bad thing. This is the norm of trading. This is the normal bit of trading. You have so much different trading days, man. Some days you trade, some you don't. Some you are in the charts, some you are at home, some you are just looking, some you are losing, some you are making money. So don't overthink it. Just relax, and then let the markets give us a good flow and a good setup. So overall, that's what we are waiting for.